clap, clap. The audience clapped to the beat of the music. Sneeze, sneeze. She was constantly sneezing and coughing. Hug, hug. I hugged my knees to my chest. Kiss, kiss. She closed her eyes when he wanted to kiss her. Laugh, laugh. We sit together all the time laughing and joking. Teach, teach. The teacher teaches his students. Ride, ride. I saw a girl riding a horse. Clean, clean. I have to clean the room. Taste, taste. The pie tasted too sweet. Collect, collect. He collects all the students to the classroom. Chop, chop. She chops the apples into small pieces. Spread, spread. Spread the bread with the cheese. Fry, fry. They fried some chicken for us. Boil, boil. Boil the water in the saucepan.
Fly, Fly. The birds fly away. Run, run. He runs faster than anyone. Eat, eat. They like to eat at home. Jump, jump. The boy jumped the wall. Walk, walk. He walks home from school every day. Build, build. He built his own house. Play, play. He plays the piano very well. Drive, drive. I drive my car every day. Cook, cook. She cooked a great meal. Swim, swim. He swims in the river. Climb, climb. He climbed over the fence. Sleep, sleep. She always sleeps very late. Talk, talk. I need to talk to you. Listen, listen. He listened to his parents. Right, right. She writes a great essay. Paint, paint. I need to paint the bookcase. Draw, draw. Draw a pair of parallel lines. Sculpt, sculpt. The artist sculpts the body. Surf, surf. He used to surf. Analyze, analyze. The accountant analyzes results. Assess, assess. He assesses the speed of his Wi-Fi. Read, read. She read novels. Sing, sing. She sing nice songs. Dance, dance. She dances very well.